Look you guys, I colored my hair. So, I'm not afraid to put my top of the head in the camera now. So welcome back to part 2 of the no budget makeup series. I've unboxed everything. Well, I've unboxed half of the products that I bought right here. So if you want to see what I bought the first half, I will link the first half of the video down below. But other than that, this is everything that I bought from Sephora. Well, not everything. I would say like 98% of the items I bought from Sephora in this box. Okay. There is like this glare that's right here that's really like effing up my lighting. Let me see if I can fix that. If not, I'm sorry you guys, you might have to deal with the glare for now. This is the best that I can do, you guys. The first thing that I bought are the Clarins tonics. This is for oily skin. I purchased this because Ender and I use this, so I had to get like a year's supply. I ended up buying the mega size Glam Glow Mud Mask. I love this mask. Believe the hype. It's amazing. Now this is probably one of the only limited edition products that I purchased because it just looks so nice. This is the Marc Jacobs Omega Highlighter. Oh, the glare, you guys. I'm so sorry. Anyways, I purchased this. Everyone says it's for deeper skin tones, so I figured because I am NC37 skin. Wait, maybe you guys can see it like this. Yeah. Because I am NC37 skin, I figured this is more of my shade of a highlighter. I don't like to purchase a lot of limited edition products just because it takes me a while to get through makeup, and I prefer to use makeup that's part of the permanent line because I actually find that the quality of the permanent products better than the limited edition stuff. But that is just me. Like, truth be told, I don't like to purchase any of the Christmas sets because like they're only available during Christmas. So that's why I don't purchase a lot of the stuff. I purchased, 2 of the Lancome Teint Idole foundations. I did a top 5 Holy Grail products video, and that video featured this product. This is my Holy Grail foundation, like ever. I got the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray. This is a permanent product, however, it was for a good price because you get 2 full size for the price of 1. Okay. Shu Amora Purifying Cleansing Oil. I use this all the time because I've been filming a lot more and I need to wash my face after, and this stuff takes off all like the heavy duty makeup and the heavy duty mascara. So I did purchase that. I have the Drunk Elephant T.L.C. Framboos Glycolic Night Serum. This is very popular. I also purchased the other Drunk Elephant product. Well, anyways, I can't find it, but it's there. I need more face cleansers, so I decided to try the Origins Check and Balances Frothy Face Wash. I bought 3 of them. Remember, you guys, I need to stock up because I am not purchasing any makeup for a year. Okay, I love these healthy, what are the healthy deodorant. I love these deodorants. Like, I use them and it like really dries me up there, but the good thing is that it's aluminum free. There's no sulfites, there's no phthalates, so I love this. I got them in the regular scent and then these 2 limited edition scents. So that ended up in my cart. This is not the Drunk Elephant skincare product I was looking for, but this is another Drunk Elephant product. This is the D-Bronzi Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. So this gives a nice tan to your skin without you actually tanning. My winter in Canada is coming up and I don't like to lose my colors, so I thought I would put this on my face to help me out. I purchased the Charlotte Tilbury Bronze and Glow product. Now this I purchased because in every single YouTuber's declutter video, anyone that had this product in their stash, they always kept it. So I figured, well, if it's good enough to keep, it's good enough to buy. I bought it in medium to dark. So that is the sculpting palette, and then that is the highlighter. I purchased the Dior Skin Luminizers. I bought 1, 2 was out of stock, so I couldn't buy 2. 3 and 4, 2 is somewhere in here. I can't find it, but I bought pretty much the whole line. Ah, I knew it. This is the second Drunk Elephant product that I purchased, the C-Firma Day Serum. This is the NARS Deep Throat Blush. I purchased this because this is like a nice coppery color, and I tend to, not coppery, sorry, coral color. I tend to gravitate towards coral colors. So it looks like that. You know what, you guys? I feel like there's a big glare and you guys can't see any of the colors, so I'll just tell you what I bought because I feel like there's no point in showing you what I purchased, or at least the colors that I purchased, because you guys can't see it. Why won't this go in the box? Oh, it doesn't matter, it's gonna come out anyway. This is the Origins Plantscription Eye Cream. This is the eye cream that I only use. I think these are. I purchased the BareMinerals foundation in golden medium. This is the one with SPF in it. And then I also purchased all of their, I think it's like their glow, it's like to give their face a little bit of warmth. I purchased all of it. So it's in faux tan, warmth, a little sun, glee, and pure radiance. I purchased the NARS single eyeshadow, which I don't usually purchase single eyeshadows, but I had to purchase this because some YouTuber, Makeup by Shayla, she purchased this and it looks stunning on her, so I had to buy this eyeshadow. Where is it? One of my holy grail mascaras, the Bad Gal Bang mascaras from Benefit. I bought the Beauty Blender foundation. I'm really curious to try it. I got it in 2.30. That I got. Because you guys know I love bronzers, I splurged on luxury bronzers. The Guerlain Terracotta bronzer in number 5 medium brunettes, and the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess in medium. I usually like my bronzers darker. However, I thought I would buy a bronzer that just gave a nice glow, so I thought the medium shade would be nice. This is the Hourglass Veil Primer. I have oily skin. This is the only primer that holds up throughout most of the day. I purchased the Happy Hello from Benefit, the Soft Blur Foundation in number 6. I don't know if this is my color. Well, looks a little dark, but if it's not, I can always add something lighter to it. You guys, I'm almost done because I am tired of talking, truth be told. Oh, I also purchased this Sephora lash adhesive. I just need more lash glue, so I just thought I thought I would get it at Sephora. It was a good deal at 20% off. I'm trying to find my second holy grail mascara, which is the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. Believe the hype on this too. Okay. I purchased the Anastasia Brow Definer. Now this isn't the Brow Wiz, this is like the Brow Wiz but thicker. I purchased this just because on days where I want to look like my brows are filled in but I don't want to wear too much makeup. Because this is a little bit thicker than the Brow Wiz, I can get more product out of it. So purchase that. Okay. What is this? I purchased the Benefit Foolproof Brow Powder. A lot of the brow powders that I'm purchasing online, when I receive them, I get them a little bit too dark. So I got this in one shade lighter, so this is in number 5. Okay, I'm gonna fast forward. Well, at least I'm gonna organize what's in this box because I'm trying to get through this as fast as I can, but everything is a mess. So let me fast forward this, let me collect my thoughts, and see you soon. Okay. I have 2 of the Anastasia Brow Wizzes, and this is the Urban Decay Lip Pencil in Blackmail. I have another one, yeah. I have 2 of these. This is my Holy Grail lip pencil that goes with my Holy Grail lipstick in Rush. Oh, I purchased the NARS blush in Sin as well. I thought I had this in my collection and I didn't. So I purchased it just to have in my collection. Don't ever do that, but I did. Dior Skin Luminizer in number 3. I found it. I have the Dior Skin, Makeup Forever. It's not the Dior Skin. See you guys, I've been talking for that much. But I have the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin in Y375. I just want to check if this shade is for me because I had no idea what shade to choose. Looks a little dark. We'll say that's my summer color. I have the Anastasia Brow Powder in dark brown. I bought this in, I believe, ebony last time and it was too dark. I didn't care to return it, so I got one shade lighter. Okay, so my camera stopped recording because I ran out of memory on my my camera stopped recording because I ran out of memory on my memory card. So while I was uploading all my footage, I decided to get my life in order for the remainder of the Sephora haul because I know this is long, you guys. I did purchase the Tatcha the Pearl Under Light and Eye Treatment. I can't remember which YouTuber it is. I will link her down below. She sold me on this. Apparently you put it under your eyes and it brightens your eyes instantly and it doesn't crease. So I purchased it. I remember when I put it in my cart, I didn't know what color to get. I believe I got, well, I'll tell you what I got. I got it in Soft Light. How do you open this thing? This might be my perfect color. Thank goodness, because I had no idea what color to get. Give me like a thumbs up if you guys just blindly order stuff off the website not knowing what color it is. Like, you do your research as much as you can and then you just gotta make that decision to put it in your cart. Okay, I purchased all of the NARS highlighters. This is, I don't know. I purchased it in Maldives, St. Barth's, Ibiza, and what is this one? Fort de France. You like my French accent there? I ended up getting all of the Fenty Beauty lip paints because everyone raves about them. Decided to try it out. Oh boy. I purchased the Fenty Beauty lip gloss in Diamond Milk. I, a long time ago, was in love with a lip gloss that I owned that was white with sparkles in it, and I since then could not find it. This was like maybe 12 years ago. So when I saw that Fenty Beauty had released this lip gloss, I had to get it. Okay, because you guys know I love blushes, I purchased all the BareMinerals Gen Nude blushes, and because I never tried Tarte in true Jennie fashion, I ordered a whole bunch of Tarte blushes. Yeah, and finally I purchased a whole bunch of Shiseido lip products. Now these have not been getting a lot of hype on YouTube. They've been getting a lot of hype somewhere else because every time I go order a lipstick or I put a lipstick in my cart, it quickly goes out of stock. So I'm guessing that Shiseido's doing something right. I bought a whole bunch of their Modern Matte powder lipsticks. Really, I just saw the picture on Sephora, and if I like the color, I added it to my cart. I'll be doing lip swatches on it. I won't be talking about it a lot. And then these are the lipsticks that kept going out of stock, so I got what I could. And these are the Shiseido Visionary Gel lipsticks. The reason why I purchased the gel lipsticks is because I hear they last longer, they're really pigmented in one swipe, and they have like a shiny finish, which is right up my alley for lipsticks. That's how I like my lipsticks to last. And there you have it. This is my no budget Sephora haul. And that concludes everything I purchased from Sephora, Morphe, and MAC. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my Instagram and Facebook, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jennie with an I-E. Or you can click on my face right here to subscribe. Click on my next video, which is right here. Next, my last video, which is right here. Thank you so very much for watching. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you on my next video. Bye-bye.